Hello friends, Sachin Gupta here, Senior Technical Analyst from Choice Equity Broking Private Limited, and this is the weekly podcast on commodity market. So let's start with the gold. As after a positive opening, the gold prices continue the upside momentum initially 3 days of the week. But after that, we witnessed further correction in the counter. During the week, gold made a high of around 49,674 in the August contract and has shown further correction from that levels. Finally, gold prices settled near around 49,155 levels on the Friday trading session. On the higher side, 49,500 is the immediate resistance for the counter, or above that levels, 49,700 would be the next hurdle for the counter. However, on the downside, 48,800 and 48,600 would act as a support for the counter. Overall, gold is looking bullish on the charts, and so we are expecting the good upside momentum in the upcoming week. Now come to the silver. Is silver also open on a positive note and continue the upside momentum? After that, we witness further correction in the counters, or we can say the further profit booking in the counter, and finally the price settled near around 71,530 levels on the Friday trading session. If we talk about the support and resistance, so yes, there is a immediate resistance in the silver, which is around 72,300 levels. Or if price managed to sustain our levels, so we'll see the next resistance, that is around 73,400 levels. However, on the downside, there is an immediate support which is at 70,000 levels, which may act as a major support for the silver. Now come to the energy sector. So in the energy, let's talk about the crude. Yes, crude open up on a positive note and continue the upside momentum throughout the week. Although on the Friday trading session, we witnessed some profit booking from the higher levels. Gold made a high of around 4,905 in June contract and managed to settle near around 4,853 levels with a minor downfall. Overall, crude oil price is looking very good or strong on the charts, and we are expecting the good upside momentum during the week. On the higher side, 4,970 would act as an immediate resistance for the counter. However, on the downside, 4,750 would be the support for the counters. If crude oil prices manage to sustain above 4,970, then we may see the good upside momentum towards the level of 5,050 and 5,100 levels. Now come to the natural gas. During the week, natural gas started a week on the negative note, and on that day, even on a Monday trading session, it has formed like a doji candlestick on the daily chart, which was the sign of reversal. Although from the next trading session on Tuesday, we witnessed further recovery in the counter, and during the week, the natural gas price has shown some recovery from the lower levels. Finally, natural gas prices settled near around 217.50 levels in June contract with a gain of around 1.26% on Friday trading session. Now on the technical charts, natural gas prices looking bullish, and we are expecting the further upside momentum in the counter towards the level of 225 and 228 levels. However, on the downside, if again price sustained below 210, then we may see the further correction till the level of 200 and 197 levels. 197 would be the major support for the counter. However, on the higher side, 230 will act as a resistance for the counter. Now come to the base metals. In the base metal segment, we witness the good recovery in the copper prices. The copper prices open on a positive note and continue the good upside momentum throughout the week. Although during the week, the copper prices made a high of around 770.50 levels on the June contract and finally settled at around 766.55 levels with half percent of downfall on the Friday trading session. Overall, we are observing a further recovery in the base metals counters. So copper will be the leader in the base metals during the week. On the higher side, it may test the levels of around 778 and 785. Although on the downside, if price again sustain below 745, then we may see the downside momentum till the level of 730. So on the downside, 730 would be the major support for the counter. However, on the higher side, 780 would act as a resistance for the counter. Now come to the zinc. Zinc has also shown a good recovery from the lower levels, and on the Friday trading session managed to close around 237.75 levels in the June contract. On the technical charts, zinc again looking a very good and strong in the bullish trend. So we are expecting the upside momentum till the level of 243 and 245 levels. However, on the downside, if again price sustained below 233 on a closing basis, then we may see the further fall till the level of 227 and 225 levels. So 295 we can consider as a major support for the counter. However, on the higher side, 245 would act as an immediate resistance for the counter. If finally zinc prices manage to sustain above 245 on a closing basis, then we may see the upside momentum towards the level of 250 and 252 levels as well. Now come to the lead. Lead prices traded into the range bound momentum throughout the day. Throughout the week, although on the higher side there is immediate resistance around 176 levels. However, on the downside, 167 would act as a support for the counter. Now come to the aluminium. As aluminium prices shown a good upside momentum during the week, is after a negative opening on the Monday trading session, aluminum prices shown a good upside momentum throughout the week and managed to close around 196.75 levels on the Friday trading session. Now on the technical charts, aluminum prices showing a good strength, and we are observing a overall bullish trend in the aluminum counters. As if we talk about the fundamentals, so yes, fundamental factors are continuously supporting the prices, so we are expecting the upside momentum in the upcoming week in the aluminum counters. On the higher side, 200 would act as a immediate resistance. However, on the downside, 190 is the major support for the counter. If prices manage to sustain above 200, which is the immediate resistance, then we may see the more upside momentum till the level of 205 and 208 levels as well. That's all for the day. Thank you and happy trading sessions.